How to change the action button on the new iPhone 15 Pro. It's actually very simple. What we're gonna do is just go into our settings here, and then we're going to scroll down, and just within the first page of settings, we will see a part that says action button right there, right up at the top, right? See where it says action button. So we're gonna go ahead, select this, right? And then it's real simple here. We just, swipe between what we want to do. So we can either use it to change our focus, we can use it to instantly open up our camera, we can use it for the flashlight, which I think I'm gonna go ahead and have mine as the flashlight because I have a puppy and I'm constantly going outside and I need a flashlight when I take him out there in the dark. But yeah, you can go ahead and do all these different kind of preset ones here, but you can also just go over here all the way to the ends and create a shortcut of your own. And then this will end up being pretty much like kind of anything you can think of. If I choose shortcut here, I can have it open up my favorites, I can have it open up my notes, I can have it open up my folders. I mean, the possibilities really are endless here. So you can customize that action button to be anything that you want. I'm gonna go ahead and make mine the flashlight. I think for me, that's just the most useful. But if this video helped you out, like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.